हाय एंड वेलकम टू एपिसोड नंबर 7 ऑफ कंट्रोवर्शियल कंटेस्टेंट। आज हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसे सितारे के बारे में, मुस्कुराहट थी जिसकी पहचान, आज बस यादों में है वो इंसान। दिल जीत कर चला गया, यादों का सिलसिला पीछे छोड़ गया। दिस इज़ द स्टोरी ऑफ सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला। Siddharth Shukla was born on 12th of December 1980 in Mumbai. He did his schooling from St. Xavier's High School and completed his graduation in interior designing from Rachna Sansad School of Interior Design. After graduation, he worked as an interior designer for few years. In 2004, Siddharth participated in Gladrax Manhunt and Mega Model Contest and became the runner-up. In the same year, he appeared in a song named Risham Da Rumal. ये काफ़ी पॉपुलर सॉन्ग हुआ था। Then in year 2005, he represented India at the world's best model contest, where he became the first Asian to win this title. Later, he got featured in few ads like Bajaj Adventures, ICICI, and etc. Then came year 2008, where Siddharth made his television debut from serial name Babul Ka Angan Chhote Na on Sony TV as a lead role. He played the role of Shubh Ranawat. In 2009, he appeared as Veer Vardhan Singh in Jaane Pehchane Se Ye Ajnabi. In the same year after the show ended, he was seen in show called Aahat, Bhutiya serial. In year 2011, he was casted in a show named Love You Zindagi opposite Pavitra Punya on Star Plus. He also appeared in Balika Vadhu serial in the role of an inspector, which in ways suits his personality, being a big muscular man. He received Great Performer of the Male Year award at the Indian Television Academy Awards for his acting in Balika Vadhu. In year 2013, Shukla participated in celebrity dance reality show called Chalak Dikhla Cha season 6. In year 2014, he was seen in movie named Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania. Yes, Varun Dhawan और आलिया भट्ट वाली. He also received award for Breakthrough Supporting Performance Male in 2015 for this role. In year 2015, he hosted Savdhan India. In the same year, he left Balika Vadhu and he hosted India's Got Talent season 6 with Bharti Singh. फिर आया साल 2016 जब सिद्धार्थ पार्टिसिपेटेड इन खतरों के खिलाड़ी सीजन 7, जहां ही वन द टाइटल ऑफ विनर. इन द सेम ईयर ही अगेन होस्टेड इंडियाज गॉट टैलेंट सीजन 7 अगेन विद भारती सिंह. Later in the same year, Siddharth played the role of Dr. Chakrabarti in a movie named Business in Kazakhstan. In year 2017, he appeared in a series named दिल से दिल तक. फिर आया साल 2019 जब सिद्धार्थ बनने वाले थे इंडिया के सबसे फेवरेट. He participated in Big Boss season 13. He was voted the most favorite contestant of Big Boss 13 in polls conducted by Hindustan Times, The Times of India and India TV News. He became the winner of the season. बिग बॉस जीतने के बाद सिद्धार्थ डिड 2 म्यूज़िक वीडियोस नेम भुला दूंगा एंड दिल को करार आया, और इसके बाद उनका नाम भी जोड़ा जाता था शहनाज गिल के साथ में. फिर ही अगेन एंटर्ड बिग बॉस हाउस एज अ सीनियर फॉर फर्स्ट फ्यू डेज इन बिग बॉस सीजन 14. देन ही डिड म्यूजिक वीडियोस नेम शोना शोना बाय टोनी कक्कर एंड नेहा कक्कर विद शहनाज गिल, एंड ये काफ़ी पॉपुलर हुआ था उस वक्त. सिद्धार्थ ऑल्सो होस्टेड बिग बॉस 14 वीकेंड का वार व्हेन सलमान वॉज एब्सेंट ड्यू टू सम रीजंस. Siddharth was also casted in season 3 of Broken But Beautiful, streamed at Alt Balaji, directed by Ekta Kapoor. He also received Style Icon of Television Industry Male Award in the year 2020. Then came something that we as a fans were never prepared for. The news that Siddharth Shukla has left us forever. There were several speculations made as to the reason of his death, but we will not get into it, I'm sorry. So that is it for this video. ये थी सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला की जर्नी. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel so that you get notified whenever the new video is out. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. Bye.